Hi, I'm Bob Stovall, and the purpose of this video is to help you back up your WordPress database for your blog or for your website, whichever you run off WordPress. Most of you work just too hard putting things together to lose it all because of a glitch at your hosting service or wherever the files are kept. So you do want to back this up. It's important to back up your database. It's important to back up more than that, and there's a couple options on that too that we'll get into in the advanced videos over at orangecat.info. But today I want to show you a simple way of backing up your WordPress database. So to do this, just log into your admin area, and we're going to go directly to plugins and add new. And we're going to type in the name of the database that we're name of the plugin, I'm sorry, that we're looking for, which in this case is WP-DB-backup. Okay, WP-DB-backup. And do a quick search, and you're going to see it's going to pop up at the top of the list. It's 3.5 stars. It works very well. I've used it for a long time, and I've been experimenting with some other ones recently that do a different kind of job. So one commercial, one's free. Like I said, we'll get into those in the advanced section at orangecat.info. So right now what you want to do is go to WP-DB-backup. It's by Austin Matsko, and you're going to install it. So click the Install Now link. It'll ask you if you want to be sure. Click OK. And that's how quickly it happens. So click Activate Plugin. And now that plugin is activated. So what we're going to do is we're going to go down to the Settings. Oh, no, sorry, Tools. Go to Tools over here in the left menu. And go to Backup. And here's where you configure it. So there's a couple things you can do here. It tells you here the tables that it's always going to back up. And you have a couple options. For instance, you could tell it to save it to the server, and it would save it to this particular place on the server. You can tell it to download to your computer, or you could have it email a backup to an email address. What I like to do here, I mean, that's great if you want to just make a quick backup right now. Just do that. I mean, click download to your computer or email the backup and backup now. But what I like to do is schedule a backup for once a day, put in an email address that I want it sent to, and tell it to schedule the backup. And that's how easy that is. So now every day, right now you see it's scheduled for February 4th, 7:25 p.m. That's Universal Time, UTC time, or Greenwich Mean Time. So what it's going to do is it's going to back up your database and email it to you, and it'll tell you which one it'll tell you the database that it came from. So that's how simple that is. And then if you ever need to change that, like if you want to change this email address, it's as simple as coming down here and just typing in a new email address here and say schedule a backup again. It's that easy. So that's how you change it. That's how you set it up for the first time. If it's already set up, you can change the time of the next backup. If you want to do it sooner, like let's say if I set this for February 3rd, which is today, and I'm going to make it at 8:25, tell it to save it. So now what it'll do, it'll email me a copy of that backup about an hour from now. Well, that's about it. It's as easy as that, and you've got a copy of your database all the time. So in case something happens to the one that you have online, you can just replace it with this one, and we can show you how to do that in another video if it ever happens. We will show you how to replace that. So having one on hand is great. You can have someone do it for you, or you can check on how to, if you ever face the situation where you have to replace the database, you can just have someone do it for you, or check out how to do it. So once again, for orangecat.info, I'm Bob Stovall. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope that you watch some more of ours.